Hello class, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to sketch the graph of an equation by plotting points. Let's begin. I'm going to sketch the graph of the equation 4x plus 3y is equal to 9. And to do that, I'm going to start by evaluating the equation at x is equal to 0. So I'm going to substitute 0 in for x. We have 4 times 0 is 0. So the result is 3y is equal to 9, which implies that y is equal to 3. So one of the coordinates on the graph of this equation is 0, 3. Now in the previous video, I said that you should probably choose -1, -2, 1, and 2. And you can absolutely do that for this example. However, we're eventually going to have to divide by 3. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to choose values of x that are multiples of 3. And that would be -3, -6, 3, and 6. And these numbers will guarantee that the values of y will be integers. All right, so I'm going to evaluate this equation for when x is equal to -6. So I'm going to substitute -6 into the equation. 4 times -6 is -24. And I'm going to add 24 to both sides of the equation. And the result is 3y is equal to 33. And y is equal to 11. Next, I'm going to evaluate this equation for when x is equal to -3. So I'm going to substitute -3 into the equation. 4 times -3 is -12. Adding 12 to both sides will yield 3y is equal to 21, and y is equal to 7. If you evaluate this equation for when x is equal to 3, the result will be 3y is equal to -3. So this will be -1. So we have 3, -1. And when x is equal to 6, that implies that 3y is equal to -15. And the resulting y value is -5. Now that we have the 5 ordered pairs, I'm going to plot them on the Cartesian plane. So -611 is going to be all the way up here at the very top in quadrant 2. Then we have -3, 7, 0, 3, which is the vertical intercept, and then 3, -1, and 6, -5. Notice that these 5 ordered pairs form a line, so I'm going to connect them with a straight line. And put arrows at the end of each line. And this is the graph of the equation 4x plus 3y is equal to 9. And we are done.